Hello, everybody. I'm Wen Shen Liang, and today I'm going to talk about the enterprise planning of IKEA. Let's do the overview first. IKEA is a Swedish company with headquarters in Leiden, Netherlands. It was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad, who was listed by Forbes in 2015 as one of the 10 richest people in the world, worth more than 40 billion US dollar. IKEA is a global furniture retailer that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, appliances, and home accessories. As of November 2018, there are 424 IKEA stores operating in over 52 countries, with over 218 208,000 employees in fiscal year 2018. 24.6 billion US dollar worth of IKEA goods was sold, and their missions to offer a wide range of products and low price that many people can afford them. And their vision is to create a better everyday life for as many people as possible.